It's time for Super Kids again. Let's start with our alphabet letter cards. And see, today's might be a little bit hard for you because you only have one of each letter. So just put one up here, but you'll have to realize that the couple of the words have two of them. So you need a B and a U and two Z's, and you'll just have to use one Z. Okay? So when you're ready for that, you can pause the video until you're ready, and then pause it anytime you need extra time. So first thing, let's sound this out. B-A-Z, buzz. Now find the letter F. Sound it out with me. F-A-Z, fuzz. Ooh, I'm going to stack my Z's, but you don't have to because you don't have to. Now you want a letter N. Ready? F-A-N, fun. And I is next. Put it over the U. F-I-N, fin. Now a W. W-I-N, win. And we are going to add a D to the end now, and we will get w-i-n-d, wind. So when you're done with that, then you can put those away, and you will need your dictation paper next. And the first word is van. V-A-N, van. I will pause the video, and we will get. The second word is fan. F-A-N, fan. Third word, quick. Qua-I-K, quick. Do you remember what letters make qua? Two letters make qua. See if you can figure it out. Were you thinking Q-U? You're right. And the K sound at the end, the K sound, that is made by the C and the K together. And you will find both of those things in the next word also. So that word was quick, and the next word is quack. Qua-a-k, quack. So the K sound was in both of those words with the CK, and the qua sound was also in there with the QU. When you are done with that, then you need to find your book and be on pages 28 and 29. And I think you already know stuff about the alphabet, right? Because we've learned all the letters. And when they all go in order, we call that alphabetical order. Say that with me. Alphabetical order. So when you were at school and you saw your names on the board, and they were in a list, what letter did we start with? You're right, we started with an A. And Alice was first because A-L comes before Ariel, A-R. So L comes before R. So it would be Alice, Ariel, and then who was next? You're right, Ethan. And so Ethan had the next letter in the alphabet. So we had the A over here, then we had the E. Then who was next? You're right, Jin Young was next. And she would be over here, right? Because we're missing a few letters here. She's one of the letters that's missing. And after Jin Young was, you're right, Kara and Kayla. So which came first, Kara or Kayla? Kara, yes. That was a little more tricky because Kara and Kayla both start with K-A. So then the third letter was an R for Kara and a Y for Kayla, and R comes before Y. So then that's why we would do Kara before Kayla. And the last one would be M for Max. So it's easy to put things in alphabetical order for organization. It helps you find things and everything to be organized. So it's a good thing to know the letters in order. And so what you get to do today is use your best handwriting, very best. So should you go fast? No. You need to either go medium or slow and do your best And you want to write the capital and the small letter for each picture. And I think most of the Superkids are in here, right? So who is that? Elf. So you need to make a capital A and then a small a. And I will write it like you would write it on my whiteboard. So right under Elf, you would make a capital A and a small a. And you do that same capital letter, small letter for each picture here. And you will notice a pattern as you get going, okay? And if you don't know what a picture is, then I'll let you ask your parents if you don't know what a picture is. I will give you a hint over here. This is not rain. Or it could be rain or rainbow because they both start with the same letter. Okay? And then on the bottom, you want to trace the letters that are there and add the letters that are missing. And there are 2 spaces there, and that means that you need to do a capital letter and a small letter. Your letters should stop on the chocolate line if they normally do, though, because you don't want them to go down to that little line that's underneath. You want to stop on the chocolate line. So, best handwriting. And you guys all know the ABC song, right? The alphabet song. So let's sing that next. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? So when you're singing, you can point to each letter after you have done this, okay? So do this first and then sing the song with me. And then the rest for today is just the word family worksheet. And it looks like this. And it's for the word family in, in. And that is a word all by itself, but sometimes they are not. And so you need to write in the letters there, color the pictures, draw a line connecting the word to the picture, fill in the circle with the one that doesn't fit, and draw your favorite in word on the bottom. And that is all there is for Superkids for today. And you can do the worksheet at a different time than you do this. Either way works.